Hi guys, it's Cameron from VICIVISION UK, and today I'm going to be showing you the VICIVISION Combo machine. The Combo machine has three sensors, the primary being the telesensory optics, which all Vicis are equipped with. These optics can measure diameters and lengths up to an accuracy of 1 micron. As well as the optics on the machine, we are also equipped with a confocal laser. The confocal laser will deploy out from the left-hand side, and we can measure items such as spline detail, vertical detail on the part, meaning that we can add another dimension to the measurements which are typically taken on the Vici. The confocal laser emits a white light and scans the entire spline detail, peaks and grooves, and can measure multiple positions on the component. This means that complicated measurements, which are normally left to a skilled inspector, can be done on the shop floor next to your lathes or CNC machines. As well as a confocal laser, we also have a scanning probe. The scanning probe means that we can take contact with the surface on the component. We can measure things like axial runout or flatness, but really importantly, all of this is done on the shop floor. The measurements can all be combined with each other, so you can compare a laser to a probe measurement to an optical measurement, and it just means that you're not having to remove the part from the shop floor. Everything is done there. All of your manual measurements are taken out, and you get one report at the end of the process telling you whether the parts are in spec or out of spec, in one easy to use and convenient setup. If you'd like to find out more about this setup, please contact us at VICIVISION UK.